welcome to our channel Login 8. In this video, I will guide you on how to log in your Fidelity Investment account. Fidelity Investment offers financial plannings, retirement plans, wealth management services, trading and brokerage services, etc. So if you want to log into your Fidelity Investment account, this video is just for you. Follow the simple steps and you'll be able to do it. So first of all, open any browser of your choice. Here I'm opening Google Chrome. Now click on the search bar and type login to Fidelity. Press enter. After you search for login to Fidelity, at top you can see a website, login to Fidelity. All you have to do is click on this website. You'll be redirected to this kind of page. Here you can see login boxes over here. You have to enter your username and your password. First of all, click on the username box and enter your username. Now click on the password box and enter your password. Enter the password that you had used while creating the account. Now all you have to do is click on login button over here. Or if you have forgotten your username or your password, all you have to do is click on forgot username or password. Now here you will be redirected to this page. This is the alternative method to log into your account. So that is how you log into Fidelity Investment account. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.